how to make money by playing pool in secret to always getting over 1,000 points, I will tell you. Play between 4 to 8 p.m. when everyone is playing, not late night when professionals are playing. And also, once you lose one game for the day, don't play any more cash game. And that's the policy you should have every day. We're doing step 1 and 2 to make sure none of the balls goes inside the pockets when we break. You see, none of the balls went inside. That's why we did step 1 and 2. We want to make sure all the balls has an opportunity to get trick shot points for trick shots and not go in during the break, because during the break you don't get trick shot points. You're not allowed to make any single shots, even if it's times 10 multiple, even if it's front of you and it's easy. Do not do single shots. Step 3 is make only trick shots at the available highest multiplier hole. Trick shots only. If there are no trick shots anywhere, then go for the single shot for the available highest hole. Very good. This is going to be the 4th trick shot in a row. That's why when we break, we do step 1 and 2 so that none of the ball goes in, because we don't get trick shot points when it goes in at the break. That's why we have to do step 1 and 2. And if anything goes inside, you're not going to get over 1,000 points. So that's why you got to do step 1 and 2. And again, after step 1 and 2, you're only allowed to do trick shots. If a trick shot is not available anywhere, then you do single shots at the highest available hole multiplier. The last shot, I didn't go for a trick shot because I did trick shots on all other shots, and I did really good. So that's why I didn't need it, because I know my competitor is impossible for my competitor to beat me. Guys, take advantage of this coupon code. You can make 2 small deposits. There is no minimum. And you're going to get $20 on your first deposit and $10 on your second deposit. You can double or triple your deposit by depositing the minimum one.